Okay, so tonight for homework, I want you to write over the Rashi on page 35. Don't worry about the English. Just write the Rashi letters on page 35. Now, one thing to do, we mentioned this in class before, read the word afterwards. Make sure that it makes sense. If it feels right, then that's a way to check if you're getting the Rashi letters right. If it says it says something crazy, then it's a good chance that it's not right. So write it, and check it if you're reading it right. And then you could catch your own mistake and learn from it. So that's page 35. Please write the Rashi. Page 36, write the Rashi. Just to write the Rashi. And page 37 and 38. Write the Rashi. Don't worry about the English. Just write in the Katav section. Write it out. Okay, now we're going to turn just a teensy bit of writing on page. Okay, that was a lot of writing, but it's easy writing, I hope. But we're going to page 50 now. A little bit of translation. Ka'afar, page 50. These are the harder words from in the psukim that are going to come. Ka'afar, like the dust. Ka'afar, like the dust. Uparatzta, and spread out. Uparatzta, and you will spread out. Ta is at the end. This means you. Uparatzta, and you will spread out. Yama, to the west. Yama is a word for the west. The west. V'kedma, and the east. V'tzvona, and the north. V'negba, and south. Spreading out to the Yam, probably really comes from the word. The west was the Mediterranean Sea is in the west of Israel. V'kedma, Svona, V'negba. Okay. Pasuk Tetvav. Ushemarticha, and I will guard you. Ushemarticha, and I will guard you. V'hashivoticha, and I will return you. E'ezavcha, I will leave you. E'ezavcha, I will leave you. Im asiti, if I will do. Im asiti, if I will do. Now let's take a look. Page 51, you'll see it. The Jews spreading out all over the world. And let's go on right now. I'm going to read the psukim on page 66. I'm going to do it rather quickly. Nice, colorful pictures about what is going on. We'll talk about them in class, but even just fun to take a break from homework for a second and just take a look at those pages. Let's go now to page 66 and page 67. These are just do not write over here. We'll do that part in class. We are just going to read it with me. V'hinei Hashem, and behold Hashem. V'hinei Hashem, and behold Hashem. Nitzav Allah was standing upon him. Nitzav Allah was standing upon him. V'yomer, and he said, Ani Hashem, I am Hashem. Ani Elokei Avraham Avicha, the God of your father, Avraham. Okay, Avraham Avicha, the God of your father, Avraham. Elokei Yitzchak, and the God of Yitzchak. Haaretz, of the land. The land. Haaretz, the land. Asher ata shochev aleha, that you are lying on. Asher ata shochev aleha, that you are lying on. Lecha etnena, to you I am giving it. Lecha etnena, to you I am giving it. Ulazar echa, and to your children. Ulazar echa, to your children. Pasuk Yodalid. V'haya zaracha, and your children will be. V'haya zaracha, and your children will be. Ka'afar ha'aretz, like the dust of the land. Uparatz, then you will spread out. Yama, to the west. V'kedma, and to the east. V'tzvona, and to the north. V'negba, and to the south. V'nivrechu becha kol mishpachot ha'adama, and all of the families of the land will bless by you. V'nivrechu becha kol mishpachot ha'adama, and all of the families of the land will bless by you. Ubizar echa, and with your children. So what's going on over here? This is Yaakov having a dream like we learned yesterday. This is the Chalom with the ladder, and these are the words. People don't know what the words are. They know about the Malach, but they don't know the words that actually happened. Hashem spoke to Yaakov directly. It's the first time we find that in the Torah, that Hashem did that to Yaakov. Pasuk Ketvav, and that will be the final pasuk. V'hinei anochim, behold, Imach will be with you. Ushemarticha, and I will guard you. B'chol asher telech, in all the places in all that you go. V'hashivoticha, and I will return you. El ha'adama hazot, to this land. Kilo ha'ezavcha, because I will not leave you. Because I will not lead you. Ad asher imasiti, until that which I do. Et asher dibarti lach, that which I spoke to you. Asher dibarti lach, I spoke to you. I'm going to stay with you. So that's the psukim. Have an amazing night.